What's this?
Okay, Algebra 2, here is some reference and example material for your polynomial house project. Here's a reference sheet. All of the shapes in your project are rectangles. We're not going to get into some of the rectangles are squares and some are whatever. They're all rectangles. The way we find the area of a rectangle is length times width. So our formula here, A equals L times W. With an example with numbers, if we have the length of 5 feet and a width of 12 feet, then we would say the area is 5 times 12, which is 60 feet. This would be feet squared. To do what you guys are doing, polynomials, we have x times 3x minus 1. Here we have a monomial, just the x, and then the polynomial 3x minus 1. So we have to distribute. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. If we have like terms, we should combine them. In this case, we do not. Most of your problems are going to be polynomials, which means it's going to be a binomial times a binomial. The way we do the area there is the same way. We set them up and multiply them together. Here we use FOIL to help us remember the order in which to multiply everything, but we're still using the distributive property. We're going to take 2x and we're going to multiply it by 3x, and we get 6x squared. We're going to take 2x and multiply it by negative 1, and we get negative 2x. Then we're going to take our second term in our first parenthesis, the 3, and I'm going to multiply it by 3x. And I'm going to take the 3 and multiply it by negative 1, and I get 9x and negative 3. And then I put those things all together and combine like terms. Now I do have like terms in the middle. Negative 2x plus 9x gives me 7x. If you have any questions about how to find the area, please hit me up in my email, joseph.creager@carroll.kyschools. You should know because I sent you an email. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.